Hi, I'm Jan from Velomobiel World, and today's video I have really good news, and I will show you a little bit the situation. So here we have the pre-corona warehouse, and it's still there, but this is the corona warehouse. It's pretty big with quite some parts in it. So it's pretty big. We have quite some parts in it. And the good news is, news. Let me see. So the good news is, yeah, Sturmey Archer parts with brake pads, brake hubs. So I'm very happy with that. We should have get still in August, so that's like last week. We had to get still parts. Unfortunately these ones didn't came, but I hope in September we get still parts, or in October, but until October we have plenty, so it's fine. Here you see Swalwell tires. On the other side I have Shimano parts. So here I have quite some rims, and here I have a whole shelf with rims, rims. So yeah, we have again some parts, we have orders, but yeah, I'm very happy with this news that we have parts again, so I wanted to share it with you. See you next time. Bye. If you came all the way here, you might like our content. You could really help us out with subscribing, put the notifications on, let a comment behind what you want to see next time.